Hello everyone, this is a vlog of me doing something. It's a surprise. Yeah, I am vlogging. Can't see them. The Minecraft mini figures. I got 2 packets of them today. So I'm going to unbox these now. You just look. Wait a minute. Here, these bubbles. Pop it. Another package. And these are the 3 ones. There's 3 of them in each packet. And I got 2. So this is the Iron Golem. That's the Iron Golem. I'm the only one in my school that has them, kind of. Only one that has 6. And this is called Steve. The last one is the witch. Okay, I'm on to the pig, the creeper, and the skeleton one. Can't really see it. Oh, here we go. Sick. Oh yeah. So there's pig, creeper, and a skeleton. I'll unbox the pig open there. As you can see the pig that well. Okay, here's the little pig. There he is, little piggy. And then I've got the creeper. And last but not least, it's the skeleton. Spider. You can't really stand up. And that's it. So please like the vlog and subscribe if you haven't already. And please do whatever you can on this video.